This is the SIGA headquarters, first day at work. They were pretty nice with me. I didn't have to start early morning. So you can see the sun is up. I'm walking now to the entrance here. To be quite honest with you, I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know what to expect, but also super excited. I will be picked up by Ivo, I was told. He's my mentor, he's my superior, so to say. I only have seen him in pictures, and he's actually just about to pick me up here, and I see him already somewhere around the corner. Hey, ciao Ivo. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hi. Yeah,
hello.
Just started here, basically showed the headquarters and said that I will be picked up by you.
Yeah, perfect. Welcome to SIGA.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Let's
we
go
have
inside.
Things to do.
Ooh.
All right. Welcome to our entrance. Already the SIGA vision visualized in a beautiful painting.
Okay.
Which you will see many times in the future. But now we go this way. All right. We have some time for a coffee, I think, to start the day. And then we start with the basic training.
Okay, have a good one. Good morning everyone, here at the headquarters in Roosevelt. Last day before I go to my market to England. You have direct view to Mount Pilatus. That's a guest house where I slept overnight, stayed overnight for the past 3 weeks. I'm standing actually on the terrace. It's always a very special place. Give myself a treat in the morning, coffee, collect my energy. I will certainly miss this place, but I also look forward to going to England very soon. Hey everyone, meanwhile I've arrived to England. I'm actually wandering around in the large hall, basically. It's the National Self Building Centre of England, the one and only, the largest, and there are multiple tons of stands. SIGA is here too, so people walk by, pass by and see our products. And it's not only this hall, we have also workshops here, so I'm getting trained here for the next 1 or 2 weeks. First time in the market. I'm looking at our products more thoroughly, specifically on the products that are applied in the market, but also we look at the competitors. And the competitors are usually, you know, country based, so they're different to one and the other country, so we really have a thorough look at them. It's very interesting to see actually who else is on the market or who else is participating in delivering the products to our customers. And by chance today I got to chat for the first time to a customer. I was actually here wandering around, and then somebody stopped by and I had a chat. And to be quite honest, I completely messed it up. But I think it's part of the learning journey. You know, I'm not yet ready for the market, but it's also not supposed to be so. So that's about it. What else? This week I'm gonna stay here. It's in the west of London. So it's in Swindon. We're staying here at the hotel for the week because it's to drive to go back and forth between London and Swindon. It's about 2 hours. Next week I will be up north, either north of England or Scotland, depending on where my colleague will ask me to come. I either drive or go by car, but as of now, for tonight, we'll probably go and grab some beers and hit the gym, potentially. We'll see. But yeah, has been a great day. I'm really pumped about my trainee. It's really cool. It's a dream come true. And yeah, chat soon. Cheers. Hey everyone, it's me again with my car. When arrived here in London, I just needed to call a number at the airport, and they provided me the car key, and the car was already there. It was a bit dirty and full of stuff, so it needed proper cleaning. And as you can see here, this is a car construction. I made it myself. Anthony helped me a bit. Quite fun story. We had an electric driller that ran out of battery, and we were somewhere in the nowhere, and we couldn't get it recharged, so we needed to buy a new one, and it was super poor quality. Here you have a picture. And yeah, no power at all, but eventually it did the job. Happy that we could manage, or I could manage to fix it and to make it happen. And the reason why we did that is yeah, we need to carry around a lot of stuff, especially when you go on construction site and do some workshops. I will tell you more in the next or in the upcoming weeks and months about what I'm actually doing here, but this is all about material management. So I'm now heading to the storage room, to my storage room, get my things into the van. Have a look at it. Stay tuned. After cleaning the car, I've now arrived at my storage place. Here in the background you can see full of boxes and material and goodies, freebies for the customers. Yes, I agree, it looks a bit messy. Don't you worry, my car gets now filled with the stuff, so it should be looking nice and neat and tidy again in just very soon. And yeah, maybe to mention, I'm also responsible for ordering and keeping, storing the goods here myself. And yes, the Royal Mail, so the post equivalent to the Swiss Post, is not running as efficiently and nicely as we're used to in Switzerland. So bear that in mind. If you have your storage room somewhere, you order it and it claims it comes the other day. Not always the case. So it's good to have yourself organized and always calculate a buffer time in there. But I'm happy. I have a good storage place. It's more than big enough. I can keep my goods nicely and safely, and I'm ready for the week now. Wishing you all a good one. Cheers, and talk to you soon.